Hi, this is John from RaceSpec. So we've had a lot of inquiries for seats for bikes with taller batteries. So when people put an aftermarket battery in, often this battery cover has been raised. And what happens is our traditional replacement seat doesn't sit properly. So we've designed a seat from ground up which sits over the original seat but has a molded cavity to allow for the raised battery covers, and there's a bit of flexibility there that you could adjust this if you need. So how it basically works is it fits over the original seat snugly, and then you can strap it on. It's quite secure. It does add a bit of height to the original seat, so if you're a taller rider it's really good. Bit hard with gloves on. Doesn't take too long to get on or off, because if you want to take your battery in and out you need to take the seat off, obviously. But you'll notice that it fits nicely around the raised battery cover. So this is perfect for taller batteries. Also, if you're a tall rider, 6 foot plus, you might like the extra height. The only caveat with that is if you use a standard battery cover, there's a bit of a gap in here, so you'd have to custom put some packing in there so that the seat's secure at the front. So they're available now to purchase. We have removable straps, so if you break a strap they're easily replaced. It has a really high quality Enduro gripper seat cover, and basically it's designed so it's slim, allows you to move backwards and forwards so that you can really get the most out of the handling out of the Surron. So if you have any comments or feedbacks, leave it online and we'll try and get back to you as soon as you can. But check our website at racespecsurron.com and you'll be able to see these available now.